Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a quick one. It's going to be a tutorial on how to make a flutter sleeve. This flutter sleeve usually looks like a flared sleeve, okay? So in other words, it is called a flutter flared sleeve. It's very simple, and if this is what you like to learn, please stay tuned until the end of this tutorial. So first you need to do is to fold your fabric into two on bias, all right? And we are going to be making use of a little piece of fabric for this tutorial. So we are going to, because this is folded into two, so that folded edge, you are going to fold it again on bias, and then making this part to face you, we are going to start inserting our measurement. Okay, so we are going to have to locate a straight line using our round armhole measurement. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of round armhole of 16 inches, meaning that I'm going to find a straight line of 8 inches. So this is where I have 8 inches, because I'm going to be adding 1 inch for stitching allowance and half an inch for ease around the armhole. So I'm going to have 8 inches here. Okay, this is 8 inches plus plus 1 inch and half inch. So this particular point is enough for what I want. So I'll rule a straight line. Now, after ruling this straight line, you have to find your cap height. What I will use for my cap height is my bust circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5 inches, and there I have my cap height to be 3.5. so from this line, because this is going to be my cap height line, the straight line, so I'm going to extend this step upward and mark out 3.5 inches. Now I'm going to connect this line using a straight ruler to this point. Now, after marking out the line, the next is to measure the middle of the line. Okay, and here I have 10 inches divided by 2, and then mark out what you have. Now go up by half an inch, and then using your straight ruler, connect to this point, and with a curved ruler, connect up to the fold. Now, to avoid having an inverted line, okay, a line that is a little bit too curvy, go up by 0.25 inch, okay, and then connect. So you can see what I have here. All right, now to get, this is going to be our back armhole. To get our front armhole, we are going to, again, not extending our curve ruler to this point, okay, to the half an inch, we are going to connect back to this point. I hope you can see what I'm doing, my chalk. Okay, and then turning my ruler this way, go ahead and connect. To this point again. Okay, now we have our front and our back armhole. Okay, after this, the next step is to measure out the length of our sleeve. I'm going to make use of 15 inches for the length of my sleeve. So place your tape here, and now rotate your tape. So what you have to be marking out now is 15 inches. Do not allow this tape to leave this point while you do that. So 15 inches. Then when you are getting to this point, okay, you know, if you don't bring this down, the down part of your armhole is going to be very short. Okay, so what you do is to add 1 inch to your 15 inches. So what I will do is to add up 1 inch. Okay, as I move, I'll add 1 inch. So this is it, and then I'll connect this line. So you guys, this is it for our flutter sleeve. It's very simple. All you have to do is to cut this out. It's very simple. There is no two ways about it. Okay, so and I use this lining for the sake of this tutorial. All right, so if you have enough fabric, please. So I'm going to first cut out the back armhole. Now you can see the back, and then remember that this sleeve is actually the two that we cut out at once. So I'm going to slash this open and then open this up so that I will cut out the front armhole. So you guys, this is very simple. This is our flutter sleeve. If you want to join this, go ahead to your sewing machine and then stitch using 1 inch. Okay, and then this is our flutter sleeve. All right, so you guys, please subscribe to this channel if this tutorial was helpful, and don't forget to share and leave a nice comment. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.